Hello everyone, Moto Guzzi concludes its 100th anniversary celebration with the launch of the 2022 V100 Mandello. While this model retains Guzzi's long-standing transverse V-twin configuration, it introduces the first liquid-cooled engine to the Italian company's lineup. The modern factory already has enthusiasts who are looking at the Mandello del Lario factory in a new way. And this rumor comes from digital designer Oberdan Bezzi, and the prolific artist recently released his V10 Concept, a roadster variant of Mandello's V100. Bezzi started by removing the Sport Tourer's front fairing. He then replaced the original headlight cluster with a single round headlight unit. In keeping with the V10 Concept's neo-retro aesthetic, a new round speedometer replaces the V100's TFT dashboard. The designer combined a nostalgic front with a vintage-style gas tank with a cutout at the knee. The V100 Mandello's side panels survive almost completely intact, but Bezzi reshaped the tail unit to match the V10's classic silhouette. The throwback rear fender only strengthens that profile. Bezzi took similar action by ditching the Mandello rims and replacing them with a wire spoke wheelset. It even simplifies the tip to make the exhaust system more effective. Apart from the change in cylinder cover color, the 1042cc liquid-cooled DOHC 8-valve engine comes to the V10 Concept unchanged. We believe that the Bezzi design also retains the V-twin's 115 horsepower and 77.4 lb-ft of torque. In turn, the V10 also holds a Mandello radiator, shaft drive, and port-mounted monoshock. In silver, black, and red livery, the Bezzi Concept leans into vintage racing design. Red racing stripes, the classic Moto Guzzi logo, and an eagle tank emblem all uphold the neo-retro motif. The V10 special graphics on the side panels just add the cherry on top. Moto Guzzi may be moving full speed towards its second centenary, but Oberdan Bezzi wants to ensure the brand's retro roadster roots are not forgotten. So that's our review for today. See you in the next video.